what you're going to learn to do in this video is attach a hyperlink to text contained within a cell in Excel Web, Excel 365, also known as Excel Online or Excel Web. So basically you have a cell, has a URL in it, okay, but if you roll your mouse over it, double click it, the only thing that happens is you're now able to enter information into the cell. We don't want to do that. What we want to do is make this clickable in the form of a URL or hyperlink so that when the user clicks on it, they are taken to a web browser with the site, the URL located inside of the browser. It's very simple. You highlight the actual cell itself, right click on that cell, come down to the option that says hyperlink, left click on that, and here you type the actual URL destination where you'd like for the user to land once they click on the URL. Click OK, and you'll notice that the font size has changed a little bit. The content inside of the cell is now dark blue, and it's also got an underline. In addition to that, when I roll the mouse over the cell now, I actually get a pop-up that contains the URL itself. There are also instructions in that pop-up that say, click once to follow, click and hold to select this cell. And one of the things that gets tricky once you've created a URL inside of a cell is that sometimes you want to come back and maybe change the content of that cell. We'll address that in a second. The first thing we want to do is what we came here for. Click on that link. We'll click on that link inside of the cell and you're taken to the destination. Okay. Now let's say we want to place different verbiage in that cell. Okay, so what I'm going to do is basically double click, but I double clicked on the edge away from the actual URL itself. Let's show you again. So what we want to do now is change the content of the cell. There's multiple ways of doing this. One is you select the cell and you simply come up here. Let's say we want to change this to .org. Hit enter, we've changed it to .org. But guess what? We didn't change the actual path of the URL that we added earlier. Even though it says quickstarts.org now, if I click on this, it's still going to take me to the same location, which is quickstarts.com. And the reason for that is, as you're seeing here, the reason for that is because we haven't changed the contents of the actual path or the actual URL. What you're looking at now is a representation of the URL, but when you actually click on the link itself, you're taken to the actual URL itself. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. You basically, with the cell highlighted, you right click. Now you'll notice you have two additional options. One is edit hyperlink and one is remove hyperlink. What we're going to do is edit the hyperlink. And we're going to change the .com to .org, hit OK. And now, once we click on the same cell, we get this site can't be reached. That's because there is no such thing as quickstarts.org. So now I want to change that back to what it was. And we're going to show you something else. We're going to change this back to .com, hit OK. We're going to also go here, change it back to .com, hit enter. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.